what do you call nitty-gritties which will be involved. There might be बहुत सारे problems आ सकती हैं बीच में. There could be lot of stumble blocks that you will come across. There will be lot of roadblocks and challenges. But at the same time, what you'll have to do is parallelly you'll have to keep putting your inputs and strengthening your inputs, right, in your lead measures. उसको रीजिग करते रहो, उसको फाइन ट्यून करते रहो, and keep taking necessary actions as and when required, and follow up and try to stabilize the business. Once that business has stabilized, you started getting slowly आपको थोड़ा सा customers base बन गए, you develop some loyalty, you developed you then evaluate your market share, then you now say that okay, now this business is kind of settled. Do I want to expand, or do I want to start something another which is associated to business, right? Yes, Sashi, dry fruit could be one of the best businesses in this point in time, especially considering the amount of consumption that is happening in today's date, to be especially for the dry fruits which builds immunity and things like that. You can actually think of such things. Okay, so those might work very well at this point in time, because at this point in time not too many people are getting into not much of parties and weddings and marriages happening, so probably ready-made garments, I don't know, I may not make too much of sense right now over dry fruits, right? So all of this can happen. So I cannot give you a ballpark answer for that, but however, looking at the pandemic situation, those are the things which might sell more. Yeah. So since we have understood the process, what I would like you all to do is that I'm sure all of you have come across a startup, or have worked in a startup, or have started your own startup. How many of you, can you raise your hands please? How many of you have started your business recently? Okay, great. Masrat, Shafika, Atira, all right. Okay. Shaina, all right. Basira also, Payal also, all right. So most of you are entrepreneurs and already have your businesses. So what I would like you all to do is that we would start with 4 sets of questions for you. Okay, so this is a simulation, business simulation, to understand how you start your business. Okay, the first simulation is that, so I will take you to a link on the Jamboard where you will have to tell me where, so we will work together on that link. Okay, so first is that you need to tell us what is the idea. Okay, so we will talk about one business. Okay, for the paucity of time, we are going to take one business and we're going to start working on that. So what's the idea that you have to start your business? Second is, to accomplish this idea, what is the kind of team that you would require? Who are the people? What kind of skill sets would you require? What kind of competencies would you require to be able to accomplish that business? Right? The third one, how will you pitch the idea to get the funding? Whether it is you're doing a seeding, whether you're taking a government funding, whether you're going to the market and pitching your idea in an open funding project, how will you pitch it? Okay, what will be your pitch line? And the fourth one is, what would be your go-to-market strategy? मार्केट में जाने के लिए कैसे, would you like to enter online, whether you are going to do a physical business which leads face-to-face interaction, what would be your strategy? So these are the 4 questions that we need to deliberate and we need to understand. The first is the idea that you have in your mind, what kind of team that are required to be able to accomplish this idea. The third is how will you pitch your idea to get your funding, and the fourth one is, what would be your strategy to enter the market? Clear, all of you? Please stay with the activity right now. We will talk about the different options that are there in the last 5 minutes. All right. So till then, what we do is, please understand this simulation well. Then it will be very, if people are just about to start your business, opportune to start your business, it will be very easy for you then. Okay.